Okay, so if you hear some explosions, that's just like Call of Duty because I was actually playing Call of Duty when somebody said, "Hey, I need some help." So don't panic. I really don't like have people like blowing things up here. But anyhow, want to know? I'm going to do problem 8 because that's a pretty simple one to do. So I want to know the slope and the y-intercept. Well, the slope is the number in front of the x, and that's just -4. And the y-intercept, which we call b, is just 2. So that's how you would do a problem like that. So that's pretty simple, I think, right? So let's do another one now. Okay, so the next problem I want to do for you, find the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line. Now, this one can be kind of complicated, but I just find the slope. And as you can see, I'm going to do that by first labeling the points. So this is 4, 3. And this is -4, -2. And the slope is just y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I'll just go x1, y1, and this will be x2, y2. Okay? So I plug in the numbers. So -2 minus 3 over -4 minus 4. And that gives me -5 on the top, and on the bottom I could do -8, and that gives me 5/8. Now, I suppose I could have also done rise over run, and rise over run means you just count up and over and see what you get. But I just felt like, it's easy. It's better to use a formula because sometimes you don't have a graph. So now the second part of my problem, I rewrite the equation. And this time, since I know the slope, I'll plug that in. But I don't know b. So to get b, I am going to... I'm going to get my pen back. Oh, no! I just lost everything. So anyhow, let's try that again. So I had this. Y equals, let's see, it was 5/8, it looks like. 5/8. X plus b. That's what we had. I don't know how that happened. But anyhow, I think that's right. Yep, that's right. Okay, so then I take one of these points, and I'll just take this one because it has positive numbers. It was 4, 3. So I plug in the 4 for x, and I plug in the 3 for y. And notice that the position... Whoa! That's not too cool. What the heck? Okay, so anyhow, let's try that one more time. That would be 5/8 x plus b. And I'm going to pick one of these points, so I will choose this point here, which was 4, 3. So I get 5/8 times 4. And then that equals 3. And then I just solve this. So I get 3 equals 5/2 plus b, and I subtract 5/2. And when I do that, I get b equals, let's see, 3 minus 5/2. You would use your calculator. I'm using my brain, and that hurts a lot. I think it's going to be 6/2 minus 5/2 is 1/2 or 1/2. So my final answer is y equals 5/8 x plus 1/2. Kind of makes sense because this does look like it crosses at about half. So hopefully you found this helpful, and I'll talk to you again soon. I'm going to get back to Call of Duty now.